Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now we are going to see one new scenario, that is highest and lowest salary employees in each department. I want to display highest and lowest salary employees name in each department like this. Suppose department 1 is there. This is highest salary and lowest salary, like that. Each employee name. Department wise, highest salary employee, lowest salary employee, I want to display for each department wise. Suppose if I am selecting employee record, right? Okay. If I am selecting an employee record for department ID 1, okay, department ID 1, this many employees are working in department ID 1. Salary, who is the highest salary and who is the lowest salary here? The department ID, if you ID 1, if you are taking, there are 5 records are there. In this, we want to see the name, who is lowest salary. 60,000 is the lowest salary, and which is the highest salary? 80,000 is the highest salary. So lowest salary name Alice Lee is the lowest name salary, and highest name salary is John Doe is the John is the highest salary. Okay, lowest department ID, lowest employee salary name, highest employee salary name. We want to display the details like this. This is the output they want. Okay, so how can you achieve this? First, we need to take row number. First, we need to arrange the salary department wise, department ID wise, maximum salary one column, and minimum salary one column. We need to bring it like that. Okay, select department ID. Select department ID, comma EMP name, comma salary, row number over partition by department ID, partition by department ID, order by salary, ascending as minimum salary. Okay, here same thing you have copied, and row number we need to put percentage order by salary, descending order is maximum salary. Okay, so now from employee table, so now we got DESC. Department order wise we have ordered. Okay, we have applied the minimum salary and maximum salary. So maximum salary 80,000, maximum salary 1. Okay, lowest salary here for the department ID, lowest salary is 60,000, so it is 1 here. So we need to take this record only, this record for the minimum salary, and highest salary we need to take this record. So we need to write a one case statement saying that min sal equal to 1 means, then we need to take employee name, this name. Then for a maximum salary employee name, what we max sal equal to 1 means, then we need to take this employee name. Okay, we'll see how to take. We want this, you can create this one as a CTE as select star from CTE C. Okay, here we are going to write department ID, comma C dot department ID, comma, we need to write one case statement, right? Case when C dot means sal equal to 1, then we need to take employee name, right? C dot employee name. Null. EMP. Okay, max sal EMP. Okay, then order by 1. Sally's name David, Clark, Emily, Kevin, James. Okay, minimum salary we got. So same way we need to write, we need to take like this case statement, right? Salary equal to this one. Copy this. C dot minimum salary, instead of minimum salary, we need to take here maximum salary equal to 1. This one max of sal. Okay, see here the output, we want the output like this. So Alice, John, David, Sarah, Emily, Daniel, like that. We got the names like this. This is department ID wise. Minimum in this department ID 1, lowest salary employee name is Alice. Maximum salary employee is John. For the department ID 2, minimum salary is David and maximum salary is Sarah. Okay. So we have printed like highest salary and lowest salary employees in each department. I hope you have clear. This is the SQL statement. Okay. So once again I will explain here. We get the output like this. So department ID wise we put some rank, sub minimum salary, minimum ascending order over partition by department ID. Each department ID wise we are assigning the ordering the salary in the ascending order. Ascending order means first one is minimum salary. Here the next one partition by department ID, salary we are assigning descending order. The maximum salary one is descending order means we will put as max, take it as maximum salary, max cell. So we need to check. So we are going to assign only, simply we are assigning row number, right? Minimum cell, these are all row number. Maximum cell, this is row numbers we are assigning. For each row we are assigning based, first we are ascending order we are assigning, and we are giving the row number, and the descending order we are assigning and we are giving the row number. So here, then first record, the minimum salary equal to 1 and maximum salary equal to 1. 1 means here ascending order is arranged, so the first record is minimum salary, descending order is arranged, salary is arranged in descending order, the first record is maximum salary. So we are taking this one and this record, max salary, this one first record maximum salary, and minimum salary for a department ID, first record is this one, alias. So we are taking like this, each department wise. Here the case statement is dot one equal to, then employee name, max salary equal to 1, then employee name, like that we are taking, and we are grouping group by department ID, order by department ID. Okay, finally we got the output. Thanks for watching my channel. Please share and subscribe my channel to get the new videos. And also, if you have any comments, put the comment. Is there any alternative solution, different way we can do this? Please share in the comment section. Thank you.